Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut Shark Block on your PC. First what you need to do is you can try some troubleshooting step, open your CapCut and simply cut it off and you need to reopen it again. And next is you can simply go to this setting gear icon in the top right and from here go to the settings again. From here what you need to do is you need to click onto this cache here and select this delete cache and select OK. And also remove or turn off any VPN or proxy and try a different internet connection such as mobile hotspot or Wi-Fi, and CapCut knows that network issue can prevent AI features from working. And you are also required to check for your Windows updates. You can open your Windows and go to the setting here. From here, what you need to do is you need to go to the system in the left hand side and select this and find if there's any Windows update available. And you need to update a window if there is any updates. And that is it. That is how you can fix CapCut Shark Block. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.